Young Money.
I know you're gonna do it for the gram, right?
DA got that dough.
Stand up. Third. Coochie down to the socks like I'm Biggie Popper. Keep your girl head in my Tommy boxes. But rent it out, she a silly hoe. Cause she know the freaking stock and plenty dough. She don't get nothing from my nigga though. All she get is hard dick and some Cheerios. Kinda send it out, but I never go. But I put them in the dirt with the penny low. No tint though, on my window. So you see a nigga shining in the Benzo. Got me feeling like Jim Jones. I'm a pimp though, no limp though. Couldn't copy my style in Kinko's. Put in work, run up on the killer, then I put him in the dirt. Run up in the building, so me gon' squirt. That's what a nigga get when they gettin' on my nerves. I ain't lying. Lay him on that curb, ride on the killer who be coming that burn. Girl, you twerk, twerk that kitty, girl, make it turn. Put in work. Flacco, put him in the dirt. Fresh got the shovel, he gon' put him in the earth. Trinidad maniac with it all gon' hurt. Yeah, put in work. Schoolboy Q with a pound of the perk. So much work, he'll smoke up the earth. Polo ground, ASAP.
That ain't Kanye, no, that's Montana. A loose cannon. He shot me, so I had to do it. Put him in the dirt, put him in the first. I just saw him swimming with 10 homies on it. Her ass fat, you can park 10 Tahoes on it. When they mask up, coming for your ice. When they big face, they coming for your life. Baby, don't pray for me, pray for the weak. I'm drinking lean, it help me sleep. Illuminati, I'm from the streets. Never saw my body, we taking bodies.
Put in work, put in work, put in work, put him in the dirt.
Shout out that motherland, 12 years old with guns in hand. They don't ask no questions, nigga. All they do is bang, bang, bang. They don't ask no questions. All they do is bang, bang. I say, I do this for them shotters. Trinidad, I love you. I do this for them shotters. Jamaica, I'm your brother. I know a bitch from VI. Yeah, that's my partner. You got a problem with it, then that's your problem. I fuck with Asian niggas, and I fuck with Migos. I fuck with Haitian niggas, all they speak is Creole. I said all I speak is real. Y'all niggas might hate me, but that don't get no deal. I said now that don't get no deal. I just not got my deal, but I been getting this money. No green card in this struggle, immigration give you nothing but work,
Put in
nigga,
work,
work,
put in
nigga,
work, put in work.
Yeah. A lot of niggas die, should've been from Hoover Street. No, I do not have a car, but I could buy one every week. Pimpin' like I'm 33, Mookie's like I'm 36, Shitbos like I'm 28. Tacoma, no, I'm pushing weight. OXY, I'm in your state, eating off your dinner plate. My heart live with Santa State. Super fly, I need a cake. Bitches throwing pussy, back and forth, they on my dick. Passion dripping off her lip, she say she never had a crib. Put in work, all big booties make it twerk. All big titties lift your shirt, show a player what you're worth. Yeah, put in work, spray his ass in front of church. Deacon said I did my shit, the pastor said that nigga turn. Pop my collar on my shirt, make these bitches go berserk. Shipping units, Captain Kirk, taking Xannies, popping perks. Might not last, I'm bombing first. Turn your backseat to a hearse. Back to the lab with Mother Earth. Had to give young Ferg a burst.
A lot of homies tried, do the crimes, homicide, driving by, popping nines, Pakistan, Columbine, out of line, pistols barking, ride or die, write a script, design a line, all I see is dollar signs. Want that pretty Flacco? Ratchets, designer jackets, the same niggas who jacket, we the first who claim we faggots, my bitch is a movie actress, side bitch want a beauty pageant, got a chick that work at Mad, but I'm so damn fine, make a bitch look average.
See my daddy in heaven.
Right next to Ferg, you know what's up, I'm dope and bucks, loaded Lux.
Put in work.